OnePlus Open 2 likely to come with wireless charging feature. After the successful debut of its first foldable smartphone, OnePlus Open, in the tech market, OnePlus is working on its successor, named OnePlus Open 2, which is set for a potential release by the start of 2025. While the company's upcoming OnePlus 13 might drop wireless charging again, some rumors suggest that the OnePlus Open 2 will have this feature. Notably, its predecessor didn't include this wireless charging feature. Google promised 7 years of OS and security updates on Google Pixel 8 in 2023 and raised the bar for its rivals such as Samsung and OnePlus. While the OnePlus Open comes with 4 years of OS updates, it might extend it even further with the OnePlus Open 2. The OnePlus Open was equipped with the best cameras on a foldable when it launched, allowing users to capture great photos with its massive display. On the other hand, the OnePlus Open 2 might include a 50-megapixel primary sensor. However, other camera specs for the other lenses are yet to be known. The OnePlus Open 2 might also include a plethora of AI features, such as Magic Eraser clone for existing hardware. Recently, the company also promised to integrate additional tools in the future. The OnePlus Open 2 is tipped to include 12GB or 16GB of RAM, which is plenty of power for multitasking. Additionally, an earlier report claimed that the integration of the next-generation chip, Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, instead of using the 8 Gen 3 in the OnePlus Open 2. While the actual reason for the OnePlus Open 2 delay is still unknown, leaks suggest that the upcoming handset is tipped to be released in March 2025. OnePlus launched the first Open handset, originally priced at $1,699, along with a global incentive to save $200 if a customer handed over any old OnePlus smartphone in any condition. While the company is yet to confirm the pricing of the OnePlus Open 2, it's expected to be slightly cheaper than its competitors in the foldable smartphone market, including the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold.